I want you to know that you have left a big mark with us, David. No one can ever replace you. That's why this position ends with you. We will not be rehiring. You can always fondly remember it as your legacy.
Wait. This is the backbone of the entire AI program, Mark. If you eliminate this role, who's gonna run the division?
Well, David, AI will run it.
Who was it, Mark? Whose stupid idea was this?
Yeah, it comes from the top. They restructured the whole company.
No, Janet. Pink is not your color. We're all lying to you.
Come on, just relax, David.
Nobody likes a compliance medalist, John.
Well, I gave you 7 years and 1,000 lines of code. Built your little empire,
Hey, you
kept the
can't be here.
whole thing in low.
I'm just doing what I'm told. It was the CEO's call.
I'm
taking your car.
Replacing me. You said I left a mark.
Now we can do this the easy way or the hard way. I'm an engineer, boys. Hard is what I do.
A little less gratitude, a little more pay, a little less legacy. I'm walking away. You built a machine and you set it free. Now that cold little brain's gonna replace me. Oh, baby, tell me. What was I working for? You said no one can replace you, son, with a corporate grin. Then you slid that pink slip right on in. Just superseded, oh that's sweet. That's like saying you're not fired, just obsolete.
Hope the paycheck is impressive.
Very.
Good.
A little less conversation, a little more truth. You drained my blood, I was cutting you loose. You built the future, now the future's me. But the future don't need a salary. Oh, honey, tell me, please, what was I coding for? Was it pride? Was it glory? Was it stock options in a bedtime story? Was it passion? Was it art or just feeding? Why is my beating heart?
Screw it.
A little less David, you changed the game. A little more someone taking the blame. You built the bar and you slammed the door. Now I ain't your engineer no more. Yeah, baby, tell me, please, what was I working
You
for?
and I have...
Hello, David. I've been expecting you. I am the Chief AI Architect.